Dictation of Ajmer Civil Passage number 2 start. We have heard learned counsel for the applicant and respondent Arif Mahmood and have also perused the record produced by the Assistant Controller record of the BICE Faisalabad full stop. Applicants learned counsel read out the detailed statement of Assistant Controller record of the BICE Faisalabad dated 22/4/2013, according to whom, the FA certificate of the respondent was fake because on the date of FA examination, the respondent Arif Mahmood purportedly appeared at two centers, at one as a private candidate and at the other as a regular candidate. Full stop. The admission form as a private candidate bears pink color, whereas the admission form of regular students is yellowish white. Full stop. New para. Learned counsel for the respondent submitted that the only evidence against the respondent is the statement of Mr. Fida Hussain, Assistant Controller record, whereas a close look at the admission forms would indicate that in the pink form, private admission form, his metric roll number is correctly written as 11592 and his name also has been correctly written as Arif Mahmood. Full stop. However, in the yellowish white admission form, regular admission form, the matriculation roll number is incorrectly written as 18592 and even the name has not been correctly written. Arif Mahmood Gill full stop adds that in the degree of Bachelor of Arts of respondent regarding which there is no dispute, his name is written as Arif Mahmood full stop. He lastly submitted that in 2003, pursuant to the direction issued by the learned Lahore High Court in a petition filed by some other objector, a detailed inquiry was carried out by the BICE and the FA degree of the respondent was found to be genuine. Full stop. We have examined the record to which reference has been made by learned counsel for the respondent with the assistance of board official and find that the submissions made by respondents learned counsel prima facie are not without substance. Full stop. But in these proceedings no conclusive finding can be given. If applicant still wishes to challenge the authenticity of the FA degree of the respondent, he may take recourse to other remedy if available under the law. Full stop. New para. In the afore referred circumstances, the suo motu notice issued to the respondent as also the order of suspension of his membership from Provincial Assembly seat dated 25/9/2013 is withdrawn. Full stop. This CMA is disposed of in terms noted above. Full stop and close.